Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly remove posts from your favorites in Instagram. And not just posts, by favorites I generally mean pages. When you open up Instagram, you usually have the first post that you see from your favorite pages. And if you click on top of Instagram and you click favorites, you can see all of them displayed in a list. And if you click the top right, you'll be given your favorites list. Of course, you can remove them from here, but sometimes people forget or don't bother to visit this page. And when you see a post and you're reminded of it that you don't want it to be in your favorites anymore, what you can simply do is click the three little dots on top of a post right here, for example, and you can remove from favorites if it's in your favorites, of course. So for example, like this one, you saw I can add favorites to the other, but this, if I click this, I can click remove from favorites, and you see the little star here was just removed, so food won't be displayed anymore on the top of my page when I revote, and it will be something else. So that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips. Have a good one.